Hello friends, Rajiv here from Cross-Platform Tech. There's a quick update from GitHub. If you have watched my last two videos, one on installing GH Copilot and another on using it in your terminal, there's something you need to know. GitHub is moving away from that old approach. They are now rolling out new Copilot CLI installed through npm, and this is the version we'll all be using going forward. So why the change? GitHub Copilot MBCLI, the old GH Copilot plugin, will be deprecated by this October 25. The new npm-based GitHub Copilot CLI is powered by the same AI system that runs Copilot inside VS Code, JetBrains, and other IDEs. It's faster, more flexible, and deeply integrated with GitHub's workflow. You will get better context handling, safer permission, and a more consistent AI experience across editors and the terminal. It works on all OS platforms like macOS, Linux, and Windows. Here's a prerequisite to run this npm-based GitHub Copilot CLI. If you don't have Node or npm, don't worry, my next video will walk you through installing them on all OS platforms. Alright, open your terminal and run this command. That's it. This command will help you install npm-based Copilot CLI. And this installs latest Copilot CLI globally so that you can access it anywhere in your system. It will take a few seconds to download the package and set it up. Once it's done, let's make sure it's installed correctly. Just type this command, Copilot -version, and if you see this version number, means it is installed correctly. You are now ready to authenticate using GH or login command and start using it in your next session. That's how you install new GitHub Copilot CLI using npm, the official method from GitHub. If you have missed my previous videos on setting up and using GH Copilot, check the link below. They'll help you understand how this upgrade fits in. And don't miss the next one, where I'll show you how to install Node and npm properly on Windows, Mac, and Linux. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and comment ready for Copilot CLI below.